And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:43 this morning, and looking at radar, you can clearly see a cold front draped across the country. There it is, already starting to move into the panhandle, but this is not going to be one of those cold fronts that sweeps across the state of Texas. The Northeast was very hot yesterday. They're going to be cooling down, but it's going to come at a cost. First of all, they're getting more rain they don't need, but also there's a severe weather threat. Damaging wind and hail possible anywhere in the shade of green. The best chance of severe weather is actually going to be in Colorado and New Mexico. In that shade of yellow, also the chance for some tornadoes. And that severe weather threat is present in the panhandle, but again, it does look like that front only going to make it to the panhandle. You'll notice no severe weather threat here in the valley, but that doesn't mean we don't have a rain chance. We will see some showers and storms, not a washout of a day though. The rain chance looks maybe a touch higher than yesterday. Maybe a few more folks will see rain, but not a great chance. We're still just talking about isolated showers and storms, and with isolated showers and storms, that means people are going to be missing out. In fact, a majority of people will probably be missing out. Now, at 8 a.m., we're going to be dry, but starting as early as 10 a.m., I think we'll start to see some pop-up showers and storms. In the lower valley, it always starts in the lower valley with the sea breeze, and then it'll transition later on in the day into the upper valley. Some in the upper valley will see some rain. Here we are at 2 o'clock this afternoon. That's probably going to be the peak of the activity, somewhere between noon and about 4 o'clock this afternoon. That tends to happen when you have a fairly active sea breeze, which we're going to see today. Now, temperatures are mainly going to be in the mid-90s, some in the upper 90s in the upper valley, but regardless of where you are, the heat index today is going to be 100 degrees because of that very high humidity. Now, by 8 o'clock this evening, we're going to be dry. What about tomorrow? Well, we're going to be dry all night long, and I think we're going to start out the day dry in the early morning hours like today. But guess what? The sea breeze will be coming back. Now, tomorrow it doesn't look quite as strong, and you can tell that because it's going to be starting a little bit later. I don't think it will start till around noon. And also notice that the showers and storms try and move west, but struggle. I think the rain chance is going to be smaller in the upper valley tomorrow compared to the day, where the rain chance will be about the same in the lower valley. By the way, because we're going to be seeing a little bit less rain overall, the heat index tomorrow around 103, it's going to feel even hotter. And then once again, any rain that is out there during the afternoon will be gone by the evening hours. So today, the average rain chance in the valley, 30%. In the lower valley, a little bit higher. We'll go with a 40% chance there. And then kind of right in the mid-valley, a 30% chance. Meanwhile, as you go farther to the west, only about a 20% chance of a shower or storm. Highs on average around 94, but again, feeling hotter than that. There will be a breeze today, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Not a particularly breezy day, but a seasonable breeze for this time of year. Lows are going to be around 77. It's going to be dry tonight. It's going to be partly cloudy, and winds are going to be around 5 miles per hour. The rain chance does continue, but it drops over the next few days. 20% chance for Wednesday, 10% chance Thursday. The vast majority of us will stay dry, and I think everybody is dry on Friday, but we're not done with the rain chances just yet. A 10% chance on Saturday and a 30% chance on Sunday. Add all of this up, and rainfall over the next week, not that impressive. Most of us seeing less than a half an inch. In fact, in Starr County, we're probably just talking about a few hundredths of an inch. Meanwhile, check out the northern part of the state. Yes, in the shade of orange, we're talking about 4 to 5 inches of rain. That's because there's a disturbance that's going to be moving into the state of Texas. Now, there are some models hinting that it might make it a little bit farther south and make our rainfall totals go up. Not so sure about that model, though, and so we're sticking with this one for now, but we're going to keep an eye on that disturbance, and maybe we'll see our rainfall amounts go up a little bit as we get into the weekend.